Building $10,000 per month in passive income might sound like a dream, but it's entirely possible if you take the right steps. The key to success: multiple income streams, long-term strategy, and leveraging assets that work for you. Let's break it down into a step-by-step formula to get there. First, let's define passive income. Passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Unlike a regular job, where you trade time for money, passive income works even when you sleep. Some methods require upfront work or investment, but once they're set up, they generate consistent revenue. Step 1. Set a clear goal. To reach $10,000 a month, you need a plan. Start by breaking it down. If one income stream makes $500 per month, you need 20 of them. If one makes $2,000 per month, you only need 5. This mindset shift helps make the goal more achievable. Step 2. Choose the right passive income stream. Not all passive income sources are created equal. Here are 5 proven methods that can build up to $10,000 per month. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in high-yield dividend stocks or ETFs can generate consistent cash flow. 1. With an average return of 4 to 6%, you'd need around $2 million invested to make $10,000 a month. 1. But don't worry, starting small and reinvesting dividends can grow your portfolio over time. 2. Real estate investing. Rental properties are one of the most reliable ways to earn passive income. 2. A few well-chosen properties can bring in thousands per month. 2. If you don't want to manage properties yourself, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, for a hands-off approach. 3. Creating and selling digital products, e-books, courses, printables, or stock photos can generate ongoing revenue with minimal upkeep. 3. If you build a $50 course and sell 200 copies per month, that's $10,000 right there. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products through YouTube, blogs, or social media can create recurring income. 4. Some affiliates make thousands per month just from recommending products they already use. 5. Automated online businesses. Dropshipping, print on demand, or subscription services can provide a steady stream of passive income without inventory or shipping concerns. Step 3. Automate and scale. Once you have multiple income streams, the key is to automate them. This could mean setting up email funnels, outsourcing tasks, or reinvesting profits into growing your assets. Scaling is where the magic happens. Reinvesting allows you to multiply your earnings without increasing your effort. Step 4. Stay consistent and reinvest. Most people fail because they give up too soon. Passive income takes time to build, but once it's in motion, it compounds. Reinvest your profits into more assets, and soon, your income will grow exponentially. Final thought: $10,000 a month in passive income isn't instant, but it's achievable with the right approach. Start small, stay consistent, and diversify your income sources. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll achieve financial freedom.